In this lecture, we will dive deeper into the world of concept development and animation production. Understanding how to create engaging concepts is equally important. Remember, a great idea is the foundation of any successful animation. No matter how skilled you are at animation, without a strong concept, your work might not resonate with your audience. Now we are going to go into how to develop concept. Okay, so to consistently generate ideas, you need a system. Okay, so if you want to be more professional, you need to have systems in place so that you can work more efficiently. And I'm going to teach you the system on how to generate ideas as well. Okay, and so these are the steps. So let's break down the process of developing your concept. So the first step is to define your audience. Now, it could be a client project or it could be a personal project. If you are working for a client, you have to understand your client's goals, their target audience, and that desired outcome. If you're working for yourself, you need to define your passion and what you want to convey or tell to the audience. Step 2 is to ask yourself the right questions or ask your clients the right questions. If you are making for your clients, if it is a client project, you have to ask yourself, what does the client want? Who is their target audience? What is their desired outcome or the end result? What ideas does their concept inspire? Now, if you are working on a personal project, here are the questions that you can ask yourself. So what am I passionate about? What do I want to highlight? How can I see it or visualize it? And what are the words that describe my vision? Now, once that is done, we go to step 3, that is to brainstorm and visualize. And to do that, what you do is you write down words related to the concept. Okay, just words, just basic words. Now, once you have words, from this word, you will be able to come up with some pictures in your mind. Okay, so what we do is we create sketches based on the ideas or the words that we have written. Okay, and then what we do is we find visual references to inspire our design. Okay, then we move on to the 4th step, which is to develop your story. Here you have to write a basic script of what's going to happen. If you're not a beginner, if you are someone who is expert at motion design, what you can do is you can also plan out your animation, like what you are going to do and how you are going to achieve this. And so when you do that, it will not only save you time, but it will give you clarity on what you have to do so you don't get lost in the process. Okay, so these are the 4 steps that we use to come up with concepts. Okay, it's really simple.